People forget their passwords. So, as a database admin, you may be asked to change someone's password, or maybe your own password. This is pretty easy. There are basically two ways to do this. We can use the set password statement. So, set password for John. We set this to a new password. As simple as that. Now, if you want to change your own password, you drop the for clause, and this sets the password of the currently logged in user, whether it's the root user or someone else. The other way to change the password is through the navigator panel. So let's go back to the administration panel here, open up the users and privileges window. So here's John. Over here, we can change the password. We can also expire the password, and this will force this user to change their password next time they log in. Just remember, whenever you change the password here, you need to click on the apply button that is on the bottom right corner of the screen. Currently, it's not visible, but it's over here. So this is all about user accounts. Next, we're going to talk about privileges.